Busy kasi tayo last week kaya may chance tayong may vlog ngayon. Itong new Soul Crystal Red Mazda 2. Here are the 10 reasons why this is your happy car, and it's a small car that has better things to offer than the bigger cars. So we just vlogged the Mazda 2 Machine Gray. This is the Soul Crystal Red. It's still one of the premium. Ibig sabihin, may bayad kang extra for this color option. When it comes to the design, they still have the Kodo concept. They are the ones who revolutionized this kind of style, and para sa akin, ni-emulate na ng mga ibang car companies yung ganitong style, pero iba talaga kapag gawang Japan. Pagdating sa color paint job, tingnan nyo, kumikinang talaga. At saka may nakita akong 2015 or 3rd gen na Mazda 3 sa isang hospital na pinagtatrabahuan ko. My dear friends, walang kakupas-kupas ang kanyang kulay. It is a significantly small car if you're going to ask me, pero yung haba niya, okay na okay. Wheelbase 2,570. It's still a bigger car than the other small car when it comes to its competition, and lalo na kapag minention mo yung word na hatchback. Also under the hood, it's carrying the same engine, I think so, na dala-dala ni 2015 3rd gen Mazda 3. It has a Sky Active G 1.5 liter. It is a Euro 4 compliant engine with 110 horses at 6,000 RPM and 140 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. Complimentary rev from Auto Hub Group, Davao City. It's a silent car, to be quite honest, but if you're revving it, maririnig mo talaga yung inlet port. Shoutout nga pala sa ating new salesman, and congrats sa kanya, Sir Don.
Hello guys, come and visit us here at Mazda, Danang Kilometer 7. Welcome po kayo.
Ang kanyang top speed, 184 km/h. Perhaps one of the fastest small car na mabibili mo kasi sinalpakan talaga ng 1.5 liter. Ang kanyang 0 to 100, 10.6 seconds. Perhaps mas mabilis pa siya sa nasubukan kong Ford Ranger Raptor. Ang kanyang fuel tank capacity, 44 liters lang po, pero ang kanyang fuel consumption, amazingly, 25.95 km/liter. Kilala si Mazda dyan because of its Sky Active, pero may napanood akong isang vlog na ginamit yung kanyang cruise control, and malaki talagang tulong yun sa kanyang fuel consumption. The ground clearance on the other hand, 143mm only, but this is still one of the lightest car na 1.5 liter na mabibili mo dito sa Pilipinas. Only a ton and a 40 kg change. At saka ang kanilang wheels offset with the Mazda design. It has a black and silver color, a Mazda wheel cap in the middle. Dunlop po ang branding na kanilang tires. Ang size 185/60/16. At saka isa sa proud si Mazda pagdating sa kanilang mga cars is when it comes to the braking power, naka-disc brakes po sila all the way. 2 ventilated discs sa may harapan and a solid disc brakes po sa may likuran. The exterior, it's one of the best like I mentioned a while ago kasi nga Kodo siya. Front grille, this is what we are getting. Honeycomb na siya, hindi katulad nung dati na may mga straight lines pa siya. It's almost blacked out except for this part. Meron pa rin siyang chrome finish, and the plate holder mas improved na rin unlike before. At saka dito mo talaga manonotice yung ganda ng car kasi it's having color variations of black and red. At saka isang part din ni Mazda 2 and Mazda 3 na like ko is this part. Pagdating naman sa kanyang ilaw, LED DRL, meron tayong projector lamp sa kanyang main light, ang kanyang turn signals bulb, it's having a repeater on the mirrors, and ang kanyang brake light naman, ganito po tayo. Meron din siyang brake light on that part. At saka isa sa cool feature ni Mazda 2 is meron siyang carbon fiber na roof. May antenna niya rin, naka-shark fin style din. And yung mga umbok niya dito, ito yung nagustuhan ko sa umbok niya. Parang siyang missile, kumbaga. On the rear, ito po yung makukuha natin. Branding on the back side. And may nakita nga tayong Mazda 2 na older model na ginawa nilang black yung kanyang logo. Sensors on the rear parking available, and also may rear parking camera din po siya. So everything changed. Ganito po tayo sa 2015 Mazda 3, and mas pinatambok na talaga nila yung key fob ni Mazda 2. The buttons are on this part na. Minimal yung kanyang styling. Mas social na siya kumbaga eh. At saka when it comes to the interior, dito mo makokomment si Mazda 2 kasi nga isa siya sa pinakalamang na interior. Harap at saka likuran yan. When it comes to the seat, ganito po, smoothness and breathability ang kanyang may offer sa back ng uupo. Although pang-apat lang talaga siya. And a leather touch on this part with another leather material on this part and some stitching. Foldable din yung kanyang seat. Ganito lang. Pipindutin mo lang. And then boom! Makikita mo na yung likod. Ganun lang kadali. And if you're going to open this one, ayun o. Siya. Ayan. Ganito kalaki yung makukuha natin. At least a suitcase. And sa ilalim nito, a spare tire, lighting on this part. Ayan, no? So, I'm on my sitting height when it comes to the driver's seat. Pasok pa rin naman. Walang gaano nga lang space. Pero it's totally fine if you're going to ask me. Meron po tayong pouch dito. Meron po tayong pouch dito. And there's no cup holders on the passenger seat. If you're going to take a look at this part, dito magaling si Mazda. Ayun, carbon fiber hint, door handle properly done. And this is what I totally love about this display. Hindi siya touchscreen pero easily adjusted siya when you are driving. Be quite honest because I owned one. I love this part. Ayan no, home, applications, ayan po. Fuel economy monitor, makikita mo. Volume adjustment on this part. Easy to adjust siya eh. And also Apple CarPlay available. Android Auto also can be available. And may maintenance din siya. So magwa-warning siya sa schedule mo. You can scroll this one as well like this. Ayan, napakita ko sa inyo. When you're doing this, ayan o. The settings, ayan o. Adjust ka ng mga settings mo. Brightness and everything, makikita mo dito. Ayan. I love this car. One thing na wala siya, si Mazda 3 kasi meron siyang compartment dito. This one on the other hand has 2 cup holders and also some cellphone rack on this part. Some memory cards for your navigation. Dalawa po ang kanyang USB port, socket, and also you may charge your phone over here. Ayan o, itong ilaw na to. Manual pa rin ang kanyang handbrake. It's having 2 cup holders on driver and passenger seats. And also this knob for your AC. Ayan o. Climate control. Nag-iisa and meron siyang 3 bilog. 1, 2, and 3. Yun yung maganda sa kanyang bago. Classic looking with some styling. Kita mo dyan yung kanyang heads-up display. And the front cockpit. Some minor things na makikita mo like, I know, trip A, trip B. Oh, 18 kilometers na siya. So, it means ready na talaga to kapag nabili. Fuel gauge, range, ang kanyang RPM, and speedometer. Another thing to add in the steering wheel is this part. Leather wrap po tayo. Cruise control available. Ulala. Also, this is my favorite. Ayan, no? Naka-paddle shifter po siya. Also, it's having sport mode. When you're adjusting it, it will be available on this part. Ayan. Ayan ang kanyang leather din sa may harapan. Mas lalong pinaganda, just like before.
And aside from its big engine with a small frame, ito na marahil yung pinaka-safe na small car na mabibili mo. Meron siyang 6 airbag, complementary pa rin ang kanyang ABS, meron siyang dynamic stability control, hill launch assist, ISOFIX, rear parking sensor, and additional na rin sa kanya ang iActive Sense or Active Safety. Meron siyang blind spot monitoring, driver attention alert, forward obstruction warning, high beam control, and lane departure warning.
So, isa sa biggest advantage ni Mazda, small car or big car, is ang kanyang free 5 years service plan. When we are talking about service plan, yung kanyang PMS, lahat ng i-check, libre, kanilang oil and ang kanilang filter din, libre din, kasama na yung service. Now, the SRP is 1,250,000 Philippine pesos, pero since we are here in Davao City, 1.3 million siya. May offer ngayong October si Mazda Davao, meron siyang 70,000 discount. So mahulog siyang 1.2 million and 30,000 Philippine peso. Since na binigyan din tayo ng printout ng pricing ni Sir Don, banggitin na lang din natin. Sa BPI, BDO, China Bank, EWB, Security Bank, Ang kanilang lowest down payment 69,000 Philippine pesos. PS Bank 79,400 Philippine pesos. And perhaps the lowest on the three, ang Maybank 51,000 Philippine pesos only. Ang kanyang 36 months, 40,187. Ang kanyang 48 months, 31,737. And ang kanyang 60 months or 5 years, 26,953. Dito sa Pilipinas, it's a Mazda 2 with automatic transmission po siya. Nothing else to say but happiness when I see a Soul Crystal Red premium option coming from Mazda. So Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying and trust the process, my dear friends. And I'll see you in the next Pakis.